Hello friends. This edition celebrates the new era of the 2023 all-electric Mercedes EQS AMG SUV models. 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV shares the same design and wheelbase as this model sedan, and is sure to be the German automaker's most memorable electric SUV. The design included the EQS 450 Plus model with a 355 horsepower engine, and the EQS 580 with 536 horsepower. The former offers 305 miles on a single charge, and the latter 285 miles. The 2023 EQS SUV is the latest model to join Mercedes' growing lineup of electric models under the organization's EQ sub-brand. It is a base SUV based on a closed version of the Mercedes electric vehicle that also supports the EQ and EQS models, and sales are expected to be completed by the end of this year. Since it is based on the same EVA 2 stage as the EQS, the SUV is powered by a powerful 107.8 kWh battery. The rear-wheel drive single-engine EQS 450 Plus is rated at 355 horsepower and 419 pounds-to-foot, while the EQS 584 Matic twin-engine all-wheel drive makes 536 horsepower, moreover, 633 pounds-to-foot. EPA-rated range figures are not yet available, but if the EQS cars are any indication, expect any of the SUVs to get about 350 miles on a full charge. Mercedes says the SUV's DC fast charging time is up to 40 minutes, which is 80% of the battery's capacity limit. The interior of the EQS SUV features rich, luxurious materials and an innovative mid-range gear ratio that is typical of modern Mercedes-Benz models. Delightfully thick-grained calfskin, with stitching and eyelets for a stylish look. The central control panel and entry protrusions are adorned with beautiful wood trim, exquisite brushed metal power window switches and rear-view mirrors. The 56-inch large screen is discretionary. The EQS comes standard, with 2 rows of seating that can accommodate 5 people, but the third section is optional and adds room for an extra 2 people. 5-seat models also have a generous 31 cubic feet of cargo space behind the third bay. The stunning and eye-catching 56-inch glass surface of the 2023 EQS 580 is the main attraction of the SUV. It's actually a combination of 3 screens, a 12.3-inch group display, a 17.7-inch focusing touchscreen, and a 12.3-inch motion sensor. The driver's instrument display is retained on the EQS 450 Plus, but it has a touchscreen with no navigation screen, and only a 12.8-inch graphic display. Both modes are standard on the latest Mercedes-Benz infotainment system, which can support 7 profiles, activated by a fingerprint sensor, voice control and face recognition. The EQS SUV is priced remarkably close to the EQS sedan. Sedans start at $100,000, but we doubt many buyers will stick with the base EQS 450 Plus. Not that the EQS 584 Matic model has a powerful force. And for that, the EQS 450 Plus has a number of standard features, such as multifunctional air suspension, rear-wheel steering, heated and ventilated front seats, panoramic sunroof, Burmester audio system, and that's just the beginning. We also recommend the EQS 584 Matic exclusive, which adds extravagant features, such as an all-wheel drive transmission, as well as massage front seats, a head-up multifunction display, and 4-zone programmable climate control. If you are interested in these, and other mysterious, luxury cars, do not forget to subscribe to our channel.